open our eyes. If your legs are crossed, let's just switch the position of them. Take your right arm and roll the shoulder in, thread your arm behind you, and you can take your left hand and catch those fingers and just gently pull the arm over. And from here, we'll bring our left ear towards our shoulders, just feeling a nice stretch in the neck. Feel free to move your head a little bit, maybe down, maybe up, and just finding those points where your neck feels tight to deepen and release that tension. Bring your head up, release the arm, and we'll switch. Left shoulder rolls inward, thread the arm behind you, release your right ear towards your shoulders. Again, move your head around just a little bit, finding those points that are a little bit more tight. And we'll release. Bring your arms out wide, open through the chest, draw your shoulder blades in towards the spine. And as you exhale, we'll wrap the right arm underneath the left. Now option to grab onto the shoulders or take an eagle arm stretch, whatever feels good for you. And just allow the shoulder blades now to spread.